If you don't want your reality and manifestations to absolutely shift, skip this video, because the intention of this video is for you to hack and bend the matrix in your favor. And this is a secret practice and technique. So make sure you watch all the way to the end, because we're going to do literally a brainwash technique to help you drift into a different reality. Now pull out sheet paper and draw what I'm drawing here, where there's going to be you in your 3D world, and then some results you have, like money, a dream home that you're wanting, a car, and maybe that's the present goal that you're wanting. And then write down the word future, because at some point in the future, that's when you want your desired results to happen. You want it to happen where you have money come in, some good attracts into your life improves overall. But what we're going to be going through in this video is that hacking the matrix is all about realizing there's a different reality accessible to you right now. It's a parallel reality. Now again, stick with me here as we're going through, and comment the word below yes. If you're already starting this drawing, you're already starting to understand that there's a physical reality, that you're putting out tons of action, you're forcing things to happen, you're working hard. But that doesn't mean things are happening. And these arrows that we're drawing inwards are like, it feels like it's pushing against us sometimes, and we go in circles. Don't you ever feel that way? It feels like no matter what you do, there's that glass ceiling and you're going in a circle. Go ahead and throw yes in the comments box below if this makes sense. And if you're already moving this forward, you're going to start to see and sense that this can be very frustrating. This can be very draining, because it's like you want a different result. You want things to happen. You're trying all the different techniques, but just has not yet happened. After you go ahead and comment that below, draw this dotted line above. And this is going to be the invisible reality. What we need to realize is that the ether is an active, thinking, alive substance. And it's merely mirroring and reflecting back to us what we hold as an identity and self-image in that mirror. So you can see that thought bubble that I did with the stick figure diagram there. If we go upwards and do another thought bubble, essentially whatever we have as a self-concept is what's mirroring back on the physical plane. So all the results you have right now are because you have an identity and self-image that's in this other world called the invisible realm, or the ether. And it's literally responding back down and giving those same results over and over and over. It's not fun. But there's a trick and hack to this that we're going to be doing towards the end of the video. If you're already getting value out of this, please throw a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back to these videos a little easier as well. Now, do a big arrow to the left. We're going to do another dotted line area, and we're going to call this the new vibrational world. It's a new place that we're starting to get into, a new vibrational reality. It's the reality we're wanting to manifest and shift into. And essentially, this is a higher version of you. It's your soul level. It's something beyond the physical you. It already has the money you want. It already has the results you want. It already has the things moving forward that you've been wanting for a while, like a better lifestyle and a better life overall. It already has it vibrationally. This is the universal mind. And so whatever we put into the universal mind reflects back to us in that same mirror, okay? Which is incredibly important. And then over time, because there's a time delay, you'll start to see your 3D world mirror the new vibrational world that you have been absolutely absorbed and tuned into. This is like a TV station. You tune into it. So how? It's whatever is normal and natural. Your new normal and natural is what starts to come into your life. So whatever you feel is you, it's normal for you, that's it. So we need to brainwash the self to ensure that you have a new normal in you. Now here's a 3-step process I still use to this day that helps me dramatically. It's helped me work with over 3,000 clients, earn over 7 figures, manifest so much stuff, okay? Number 1, conversations with the self. Number 2, conversations with others about you. So you're having this inner dialogue, and we're going to go through examples of what this might look like, okay? And then number 3, a conversation with your soul, saying my soul is fill in the blank, rich, abundant, already has everything I'm wanting, and it feels like I'm relieved and significant and worthy in that realm. So a self-conversation would be like you're thinking to yourself, wow, I did it. I can't believe this stuff works. conversation with others about you would be like, I can't believe Scott is so rich and manifests so well. I wish I could learn like that. So whatever you're picturing for somebody else talking about you is actually a mirror. And then again, you do like, my soul is always feeling rich. My soul is always feeling wealthy. Now you're going to want to do this for 10 to 60 minutes per day. I know it's a lot. So even if you could just do 5 minutes a day, that works. I know you're probably very busy. Just start with 5 minutes. This will do something if you're already practicing a different inner conversation. Okay, just 5 minutes is a good starting ground for going through. But we have to brainwash the self. We have to make a new, normal, and natural version of you, okay? Now, to get a full version of this as well, there's a free masterclass with my 3-code soul code reset. Link in the description, the pinned card above, or the pinned comments, okay? Or if you're looking for a done with you service, like I help brainwash you, and I help do guided healing sessions so you can heal all those wounds and traumas you've been holding for years, go in the link in the description. We have a school group. And we also have a one-on-one call that you can book, and I'll do a call with you, or my team will, to ensure that we can help with done with you service. It's pretty amazing. Okay, there's a lot less for you to do on your plate. We do it with you. Okay, so the trick to all this is the mind isn't going to believe you're new, normal, and natural. It's going to be like, no, I'm not rich yet, right? So you have to realize the concept. It's a spiritual truth that you're already there, but it might be a physical lie. So if you say, I just earned $10,000, but you didn't, or $100,000, it's a spiritual truth you did vibrationally, but you didn't physically. So it's a lie physically. Now your current results, your present results, it's a physical truth, but it may not be your highest potential truth, you see? So you always just want to go back to this concept of the spiritual truth and be delusional. Okay, that's what you really have to do. You don't have to lie to people around you about it, but you do the sense of, I'm going to be delusional about the physical while I'm living my spiritual truths. By the way, still take care of what you need to take care of on the physical plane though, but it's got to be your normal, natural. And make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video with somebody else as well. Scott Haug signing off.